This is foam, it's just the spray foam. This is where the actual studs are. So I'm trying to keep my feet just on the studs. It's very hard. So I'm using this spatula that Narcissus had sharpened into knife blades to remove the big chunks, like over there. He's using that big fillet knife, and I'm using this also to remove most of the clumps. And then this big giant thing is used for leveling between the studs. I just seesaw it back and forth like that to remove the tops of the I'm tired of the foam. After cutting all the excess foam off, I'm now going back and fill in holes where there wasn't enough foam or where we cut off too much foam on accident. Some places where the foam has cracked away from the seam, I'm filling those in too. Our roof is in place. This is probably the one and only rain catching roof on an RV that you'll find anywhere. So in the side corners there, and there's one here, there's an overflow for if we get too much water, and the water can flow out and not crush our ceiling. And then in the back, there are two, one there and one there, water and catchment system. So there's going to be valves that go down, and it's going to get collected and then pumped into our tank.